sometimes we just forget what is environment, and sometimes consciously and unconsciously as well as making those bad habits which totally make us to neglect what is environment and why environment should be clean around us. Since this drive is being done in Bogmalo here, I don't know if many of you have noticed how beautifully nature works. When the monsoons come in June, you will suddenly see slowly the sand disappearing from this beach. There will be no beach at all. I don't know how many of you have noticed it. There is no beach at all. Come August 15th, around August 15th, the process starts. The sea, from the sea itself, it throws back the sand to again recreate the beautiful beach. And this happens all along the coastal line. And I have seen it happening in Bogmalo. What a lovely way to understand how nature works in its own wonderful way. But what are we humans doing? What are you and I doing to protect the very environment which sustains us? Today, the Coast Guard is in the forefront. The entire country, the entire world is in the forefront of protecting our environment and particularly our oceans. What do we see today? People think by littering or throwing something out at sea, that thing is gone, it is buried in the ocean. No, it comes back on the beach, it comes back to land. It already pollutes your water, it already destroys the environment that is necessary for the marine life, and then you have all sorts of problems happening. Today, plastic is such a menace. It is not only happening on land, it is not only happening as we litter our garbage on the highway sometimes or along wherever we can, but we throw it in the water, and our marine life and the entire quality of what is available underneath the ocean is being affected all over the world. Sometimes we have seen so many oil spills happening. Of course, it happens accidentally, but sometimes our ships as well, at one time it was thought that they can just throw something out at sea. Nowadays it is being monitored, and I think one of the biggest role played even in this direction is by our Coast Guard. I compliment you for that. But any movement to succeed, any particular thing to work in society, it really needs the involvement of each one of you. It is not enough only to have a function, remember Environment Day now, and forget it the next moment. We have to remember it every moment. We have to make it a habit.
86 under the leadership of Ocean Conservancy. It is observed every year on the third Saturday of September. The purpose of this drive is simple yet very powerful. That is to spread awareness about marine pollution, to clean up beaches and waterways by removing plastic and other waste, and to inspire people to adopt eco-friendly habits to safeguard our oceans. Today, millions of volunteers around the world take part, making it one of the largest citizen-led movements for the environment. Here in India, the Indian Coast Guard has been coordinating this campaign since 2006. Each year, cleanup drives are organized along the vast coast of 7,500 kilometers and on the islands in close cooperation with state governments, NGOs, schools, and local communities. These efforts go beyond just cleaning beaches. They also aim to educate people about the dangers of marine litter, especially plastic, which harms marine life, ecosystem, and also the human health. By leading this initiative, the Indian Coast Guard shows its commitment not only to protect our seas, but also to preserve the marine environment. The ICC Drive is a reminder that protecting our oceans is a shared responsibility of everyone and a duty of every citizen we owe for the future generations.
But we are celebrating that drive, that ICC drive for cleaning all coastal cleanup 7,500 across the pan India. And Indian Coast Guard has started this drive since 2006. And today we are also in all the beaches of Goa area in coastline. We are having this drive, and in Miramar there is a governor is also coming. Last time chief minister has come. Today we have a MLA sir, Mr. Mobin sir with us, and we are very grateful that he has accepted our invitation and he has come all the way from and taken his time from his busy schedules. We are very thankful to him.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.